What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit COLTS way. Hope y'all having a good day. This is gonna be a pretty quick video because it looks like I'm about to get soaking wet. I'll give you a little view of it. It's coming. Clear blue skies right here, and not much longer. But anyway, what I got going on today is I've got those Tufskinz inserts on the front for the truck where it says Super Duty, and on the back, you know, the black inserts. Well, I saw that they had these door sill protectors. I don't really need them, you know, my truck's white so it doesn't really get scratches, but if you got a black truck or something like that and you're getting in your truck right there where you open your door and your foot scratch that paint right there, this will just kind of cover it up, help it from getting scratched. They have one for the front door and for the rear door as well. I'm gonna do a little install video of these real quick and let you know what I think about them. So first thing I'm gonna do is open my doors, and I'm gonna Clorox the door sill area just to, you know, clean all the dirt where these will stick good. But I got these on Amazon. You can get them, and I think you can get with this black or white where it says Super Duty. I just got red. I just figured it'd look a little bit, stand out a little bit more. But anyway, so I'm gonna put these on real quick and I'll walk y'all through it and see what it looks like at the end. Peace. All right, so I got these Clorox wipes. I'm just gonna wipe it right here. I'm gonna do that around all 4 doors. I'll let it dry. Basically, I got a few scratches, you know, right here where I'm getting in with my foot and everything. But I'm gonna put these on there real quick, let it dry. Just know that I'm gonna do every door. I'm just not gonna walk y'all through it, that'll take forever. All right, so they look dry enough, clean enough. I noticed on the other side I got a dent. I'll show you before I put it on. But so you just take this first protective layer off right here, and there's actually, see, the longer ones will go up front and the shorter ones go in the back. But basically where there's a slot right here. You know, it comes down and this little gap right here you can pull up to access the wires. You'll put it on either side of that, kind of just right here. But there's a 3M sticky tape on the back. Come on, Colt, get your balance. So we'll take this off. Sorry if the wind is messing with the camera. I don't have a microphone, I'm just using my phone right now. So, oh well. All right. Oh, it's sticky for sure. So I'm gonna get right up in here, kind of getting as pretty much as flush as I can. I'm gonna stick them corners, and then I'll just like that. And once it's stuck, I'll drag it down. Put that right there. Kind of a bed liner feel to it. Looks pretty cool. I probably could have lined it up a little bit better, but I'm cool with it. So, yep. Now when I get in, my boots or whatever, kick it, it ain't gonna scratch. Not that I was real worried about it anyway, but. All right, so the side that has the dent right there, as you can see. But move this over here, maybe you can get a better view. So once again, you'll see these little disconnector things, and that's where you put it. Pretty easy. I'll do the last 2, and I'll just do a video, walk around, show you a little bit closer, but hell, there ain't nothing to it. So I think even Nancy Pelosi could do that shit. Done. I'm trying to beat this rain. I'm gonna do a quick little show you video. Like I said, it's a textured, kind of like a bed liner texture. Pretty sweet. Got all 4 of the sides done. So just something extra. Yeah, it's starting to blow pretty good out here now, but what's up, Diesel? Anyway, look, that's Tucker, Luke, Diesel. But hey guys, I appreciate y'all watching this video. I just found out about them things. Let me know if you've heard of them before, or you have any, or if this video helps you. You know, I'm trying to grow this channel. If you would, please smash that like button, subscribe. It really helps me grow. And if you like the video and comment, it helps with the algorithm. Hell, I can't even spell algorithm, but I'm saying it. But you know, once again, if the video helped you, thought it was cool, like, subscribe. Like I said, I got those on Amazon. I'll put them in the video description in the link. It is my link. I do earn like a little commission off it. So if you want to buy it from my link, great. If not, and you still want it, cool. But they're called Tufskinz door sills off of Amazon. Well, that's where I got them, off Amazon. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, and God bless.